Hello student, welcome to Mech Study official YouTube channel. I hope your preparation is going good. So today there are two paper like Gate CS examination along with the Gate E examination, which is computer science, along with the electrical engineering paper. So what was the questions which they have asked related to math and aptitude, and what was the total number of questions from the MSQ type along with the MCQ and numerical data type questions. So all the important things we will discuss in the same video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query related to examination and other thing, do mention in comment box. I'll definitely, if any of the things is happening in between, I'll definitely reach out to every student very soon. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, GATE has already started paper from today onwards, and they will conduct the first two examination from the CS and E, and the question which they have asked from the math and aptitude is little bit easy as compared to the other years, even though few of the questions are tricky questions, and few of the reasoning question is also there in that, and the question from the math is also not too hard, but if you have studied well, then you can easily solve that type of question as well. Few of the question in different sets having some issue with that, but I'm not sure about that whether all the question is going with the difficult, because these questions which I have present over here for the memory based question, they are not exact data. So you will get the idea for the upcoming GATE examination like GATE ME and GATE CE, civil engineering and other branches. Those examination is upcoming week, like next week, then they will have a sufficient time to get analyze what type of question they have asked. So for the English, they have given us some passage. You need to read that particular passage and give the analysis of that particular summarization of that. They have mentioned 4 points. You need to select based on the paragraph. They have mentioned one of the question over there. These are the memory based. That's why I'll give the rough idea what was the question which they have asked. Going ahead with the next questions, which from the form in a mathematical linear algebra, they will provide the 4x4 matrix. You will get the calculate the eigenvector, and there are 4 options. These options are MSQ. They are like a separate from the MSQ and MCQ. The most important thing is that for the MSQ there is a square box in questions, and for the MCQ they are having a round, like you need to click on that, and will round circle are there for the MCQ. So make sure that while differentiating they haven't mentioned like MCQ MSQ, you have idea about the checkbox and filling like dot. And for the numerical data type, you need to fill the answer, and they will provide a blank. And in that question they will provide MSQ, you need to mark more than one answers. So going ahead with the next type, they have also asked from few English questions. They are very easy if you have a basic learning of English grammar. So these questions are directly coming from these two papers, and they have also asked related to the syllogisms, like you have a statement, you need to give the conclusion based on the statement. They will also mention like one options true, 1 and 2, 2 and 1, like, and it is independent of that. All these types of question they have asked. The question they have also asked from the linear algebra, which is direct forward. If you remember the properties of linear algebra in that particular chapter, there are few standard properties. If you remember that particular, then you can easily solve this type of question as well. So coming to the main point which you need to take care before going to examination, MSQ question in first paper, that is computer science, is a little bit high, because around 14 to 15 question is coming from the MSQ. Similarly for the 18 question for the numerical data type, and remaining are the MCQ. So lots of questions is coming from MSQ and numerical data type. Very few questions coming from the MCQ. Second important point, that all the questions which they have provided, they are not in order. They are putting in a random way. Like initially they will put from first to certain questions from the aptitude English. After that they will give one question number remaining from 15 to 26. They will ask for the 1 marks. After that we will go with the 2 mark question in our paper. But now they have mixed the random question based on the MCQ, MSQ and numerical data type. So make sure that while attempting the question, make sure that you need to manage the time along with the marks, because sometimes you will be stuck in a 1 mark question, and most of the 2 marks question is going to even though not able to see the question. So in my opinion, if you have a sufficient time, otherwise you can solve first 2 marks question, then come with the 1 mark question, because GATE have a 3 hours and you have a sufficient time to solve all those questions which is coming in the examinations. So this is the most important point of view from these two paper which is holding on today. And if you need any further information, you can also connect through Telegram channel, and if you want to, you can also put the comment in the description box. I'll definitely reach out to you very soon. I hope this video is informative, and if you think, then do like and share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.